What up, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? How's it going? We're actually working on a car today. I'm wearing sunglasses because I got an eye infection. It's nasty, trust me. So one of the things that we are doing today to the El Coupe, we're actually over at Beck's sweet garage house. We're going to be installing my hybrid racing shifter that I just got, the version 3. We're going to be putting it into the coupe. Now, this video is not sponsored by Hybrid Racing. I actually bought this thing because I prefer it. So as you can see, the shifter here is the K20 version shifter that I've had for a while. And I'll be 100% honest with you, I have actually become a hybrid racing shifter fan. The reasoning is because it's a little vague. And also because it is, you know, billet aluminum like that. The sun hits it and blinds you as you're driving. That's one of the other things I don't like about it. Also, with the shifter, we're going to be installing the base plate, which I do not have for this thing, so we need to take the shifter out, put the base plate in. I also have the transmission detent springs, which I've done a video on before. Same process I'm going to be installing in here. We're going to be getting this stuff installed, so let's get busy. First thing we got to do, get these shifter cables disconnected. Uno. This has a nut on the other side. Yep, nut on the other side. Now, take this thing off. Yay! Ha ha! Gotta get this little tab off here. Okay. Now we've got to pull these out. Got one here, which are bolted into the stock shifter. Okay, now we're gonna have to go have our lovely assistant, Beck, next to me over here, go underneath. Originally, we had to drill holes for these two spots, one here and one over here, and the bolts are actually just set straight through, and there's nuts on the bottom on the underside of the car. So that's the one pain about this, about putting a base plate or any of these shifters in. Beck's the man. Oh, there we go. Okay, got it. Oh, yeah, push it up. Thank you. Got it. Now the shifter should be able to come out. All right, shifter out. You can see we smashed this thing to death. This is what it looks like when you don't use a base plate with a K20 shifter. I'm gonna put the hybrid racing shifter in. So these holes right here on this side, we're gonna have to re-drill them because they're a little off. All right, we'll meet you back here in a second with a drill bit. And we're done with that! I just need to give it a good blow, you know what I'm saying? This is a professional tip, y'all, right here. Y'all trying to make some money on the street like this. Now we can just take this and go like that. You hear me? And take the next one, drop it down and go like. This is the worst part of the install, let's just be honest, kids. Nice. Alright, good. Let him get threaded on there. Oh, this is going to match the interior so much better with the black interior. Part of me kind of wanted the red shifter, but I was like, we're going with a black everything theme. Straight up Knight Rider action. Oh, he said go. Nice. That's nice and tight, kids. Right there, let your mama know that's how you want it, right there. Yeah, I mean, do the back ones real quick. Alright. And we end there like swimwear, kids. Base plate is now installed. Base plate is now installed. She looks great. I love that because it also has the rubber bottom that resists heat. At least I think it does. So then we just take our gorgeous, beautiful hybrid shifter. Bloop, 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 bloop. Boom. Right there. It's that easy, kids. Get our shifter in here. Shift cable. It stabbed me. Pull one of these off here. Put that on. Another nylon washer on the other side. Okay, now we got a lock pin on it. We're going to pull this through. Pull that out. Pull one of these off here. Okay. This back here. Right there. There you go. Okay. Now I'm gonna. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Let go. Perfect. Yay! Now we gotta put this bad boy in. This shifter is that it's not vague. It knows exactly where it wants to go. It goes exactly where I want to put it. It's a different feel. It's really hard to explain to people what the difference is. I'm not saying one is terribly bad over the other, but I just love the way that the hybrid racing shifter feels. It's just, it always goes right where you want it to. Where I would always have issues with the K20 not going where I wanted it to. A couple of money shifts makes you think twice about things. Let's see if we can get a pull in here. Let's just hope there's no popos. Perfect. Oh my God, this rain ruining my car, getting it all dirty. Got no traction in the rain, son. Stupid first gear pull. Probably tell that I slapped on a hybrid racing banner. Did this the other day. Tried to shoot it, but I didn't hit record on the camera. Yeah. Clouds are coming, got some rainstorms coming. All right, so you know my car over here. Ignore the wind noise if you can. We've been working over at Beck's house, who's got this really cool, sweet floor that I love. Anyway, but you may have seen on my Instagram and stuff, he's got the super clean, all original 2000 GSI white with the leather unmessed up. You know, still Gucci. Pretty much all original, under 100,000 miles. You know, one thing he's done is put suspension. He's got a nice set of wheels back there. Still got the blades, but those are his daily wheels. Doesn't drive it much. But, you know, he'll take 10, 12 grand if you want it. Anyway, she's still all original pretty much. Except for the fuel rail, which we're gonna go put back to OEM. Maybe do some work on this thing this summer. We need to change up the belts, do some maintenance on it. Not a whole lot. But you know, just keep her alive. Oh yes, he also, the only other modification he has is modification. He's got Revel coilovers, which I have to say are phenomenal, especially on this Tegra. There's not a lot of people that know about Revels, whatever. They're made by Tanabe, supposedly made in Japan, but you know, most people say all coilovers are made in Taiwan. But I can just say that they're some of the best coilovers I've ever ridden on. I generally like Tians, or Tane, however you say that shit. But just a gorgeous car. Yeah, so final thoughts. My eye is all messed up still, I don't know if you can see it. But follow me on Instagram, MarkMHSG. Follow Beck over here and Next Turn Media. Final thoughts on the shifter is that it just feels right. It goes where I want it to go. You heard me say that before. I like the way it looks. It looks a lot better. Feels much better. I really dig it. If you want to go get your own hybrid racing shifter or parts, you can use code MarkMHSG at Hybrid Racing. Get 5% off. And again, I bought this shifter on my own, so this is an unbiased review. I really wanted it. It wasn't like they were like, hey, take this shifter and put it in your car. Also, we're gonna be working on the Patreon. If you wanna help support the channel and get more videos coming, I'm gonna start pushing the Patreon. We're gonna start doing giveaways every month for people that sign up for the Patreon, and we're going to be doing even more stuff in the future with some giveaways. So stay tuned, look forward, and hopefully we can get more videos out as quick as we can, because we're working day jobs, and so, you know, we're trying to get these videos done on the weekends. We both have families. Haha, yeah, all right. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Click like, click subscribe if you haven't before. See you in the next one. Peace out.